Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am KM the makeup artist, your makeup artist. So guys, a lot of you have been commenting on my YouTube videos saying that you'd like to see a video on how I do my eyebrows. So this is it guys. What I have in my hand is a spoolie and also a razor that I got from this cam, and I'm gonna start to actually remove the eyebrow hairs where I do not want them, like on the brow bone and also at the top of the brow, just to get the brow to the size that I want it to be before I actually start the process of drawing on the eyebrows. So guys, make sure that the razor that you're using is still new. Nobody has ever used it. And what I like to do with the razor is I like to actually take sanitizer or alcohol and clean the razor before I use it on my face or on my model's face. So now I'm gonna start the process of drawing the eyebrow. Don't worry guys, everything that I use in this video will be linked down below in the description box. So I'm gonna start off by drawing a line at the bottom of the brow, then drawing another line at the top of the brow. Then with the product left on the brush, I'm gonna fill in the tail of the brow. Then afterwards, go back to where that eyebrow begins and start to draw hair-like strokes going up to mimic the eyebrow hairs. So going back with my spoolie, I'm gonna be brushing the hairs up, making sure that I blend the product on the brow and also making sure that I do not have harsh lines and I have everything blended well. And I'm gonna be doing that on both brows, and if it becomes messy, do not worry because we've got concealer to fix everything. So now I'm gonna take my brush from Scarlet. I bought this brush at Mr. Price, and then I'm gonna be taking that concealer that I just showed you. I'll link everything down below as I promised, and with that brush, it's similar to the one that I just showed you on the screen, and I'm gonna be taking that with my concealer and start to clean the bottom of my brow. So guys, please take time with this. I know it's gonna, like, you're gonna have to hold your breath, and if you hold your breath very well and focus on what you are doing, you're actually gonna clean the bottom of the brow very nicely and it will turn out to look good. So now I'm gonna be dragging the concealer down so that later on when I blend, it's easier for me. People's eyebrows will never be symmetrical, but if you want to achieve that, there's a little trick that I've learned. I like to connect the left brow with the right brow right in the middle, like on top of the bridge of the nose. I don't know what's that area called, but I like to actually connect them like that so that I actually am able to see how thick or how the arch of the other one is, and then I'll try to correct it as I go along. Everyone has their way of doing eyebrows, and this is my way guys. and I hope you guys can understand whatever that I'm trying to say in this video and you find it helpful, because it works for me, and I hope and pray that it also works for you guys. So there are two ways in which I do my eyebrows, which is eyebrows before applying makeup and then eyebrows after applying makeup. To be quite honest with you guys, they both work pretty well. It's just that I love doing eyebrows after applying makeup, but I was just kind of like, let me try this one first and film for you guys this one. Then I promise you guys that I will film a video for you guys of when I do my eyebrows after makeup. And doing your eyebrows after makeup, I kind of find it easy because you do not focus that much on getting them symmetrical, because I don't know why, but then I just kind of feel like after doing makeup, you just don't focus that much on getting them symmetrical. So I'm gonna be blending the concealer at the bottom of the brow. I'm just gonna drag it to the eyelid because in this step I actually am hitting two birds with one stone. I'm actually blending the concealer at the bottom of the brow so that I do not have harsh lines, and also when I drag the concealer down to the eyelids, I'm actually prepping the eyelids for shadow later. So you see that I am hitting two birds with one stone, right? So I do not know where I got this brush, because I used to just buy brushes whenever I get across a brush that I like, even though when I didn't know what that brush is meant for, I'll just buy it in just to have it in my kit. So I don't remember where I bought this brush, but it kind of works very well to blend that concealer at the bottom of the brow and prep the eyelids for shadow later. So if you feel like your brows are too thick, you can go on and take that brush that you used to clean the bottom of the brows with the foundation that you're gonna be using on your model's face or your face, and start to clean the top of the brows. So guys, there are people out there who know how to achieve a perfect brow without cleaning the top of the brows. So for me, I'm not yet there, so hopefully I'll get there one day. But then as for now, I just like to clean the top of the brows just to get them snatched and look sickening. So after I am happy with the size of my eyebrows, I'm gonna drag the foundation to the forehead with my brush first, and then after that take my beauty blender with the same foundation that I'm gonna be using on my model's face, then start to apply that with my beauty blender. So I went on and applied foundation, contour and highlight off camera. Now I'm gonna bake my eyebrows with just my translucent powder, or you can bake your eyebrows with whatever powder that you have in your kit. So why I bake my eyebrows is because If you're gonna spend the whole day with makeup on your face, you don't want some of the makeup to be removed as the day goes on. So when I apply translucent powder, it kind of makes my eyebrows stay on there for a very long time. Then after applying the eyeshadows and whatever that I had to do on the face, I'll go on and take a fluffy brush and dust off the powder from the eyebrows. Then take my spoolie and brush the eyebrow hairs up to kind of remove the excess powder that is left in the brows. Then after doing that, I am done with my eyebrows. And if you want to see how I created this eyeshadow look, I'm gonna put the link of the video where I did her eyeshadow down below in the description box. And that completes our look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment down below so that I would know what type of content you'd like to see on my YouTube channel. And don't forget to also hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Till next time, guys. Bye.